Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashree Ghosh and today I am going to announce something big for all of you. If you are preparing for CAT and you need to test yourself, you need to test your preparation, you need mock test, then Unacademy caters to the same once again. So what's the big surprise? Firstly, what you need to do, step by step I am showing you. In the Google, type unacademy.com and choose the CAT goal. Okay, select CAT as your goal. Okay, fine, you can do it in the app also, fine, and you can even do this in the learning app. And in fact, I'm like browsing, I'm like streaming my desktop. So what you need to do, go to the management foreign studies category, go to CAT, select CAT. Now of course you will be requiring to create your login ID and everything, but for now, just to show you what I wanted to show, the big surprise is Unacademy is introducing recent new test series, new free mock test for all of you. This one I'm talking about CAT-alyst free mock test for CAT. Let's click on it and let's check more details about it. This new mock test series is going to be the complete one for entire CAT-alyst free mock test. This one, right? What you need to do, you can just enroll in it. It has 10 tests. Plus, it's just not the test. It's going to have lessons also in it. From 10th of May, every Sunday. Okay, it will last up to 12th of July. So that's the new announcement. So let me tell you every Sunday how your schedule would be. Your schedule would be, let's say, the 10th of May thing that you are seeing in the screen. CAT-alyst free mock test, it will be the test number 1. 10 a.m. there will be the test, okay, and it will last for the full-fledged 3 hours, and then it will be analyzed by the respective teachers. From 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. it will be analyzed. The DILR section will be analyzed by Riya Agarwal ma'am. Then from 3:10 to 4:10 okay p.m. Praveen Tyagi sir will be helping you to analyze the quant section part of the CAT-alyst free mock test. Thereafter, from 4:15 p.m. to 5:15 p.m., I am Bhagyashree Ghosh and I will be taking the VRC section. I will be helping you to analyze that. This is every Sunday. This similar schedule we are going to follow. So this one I saw, I made you see. Okay, I was making you see for the week number 1. Now for the week number 2, the next Sunday lies on 17th of May. So you can see that on the 17th of May, the pattern follows in the very same way. Time and everything follows in the very same way. You just need to hit the enroll button in the course. In case you are not yet an Unacademy subscriber, you need to subscribe. You need to subscribe to Unacademy and get yourself enrolled to this course. Yes. So although it's a free mock test, well, free mock test is something that is open to all. Okay, even if you are not yet subscribed, you can still give this free mock test. That is the beauty of the test. Well, I always insist on getting a subscription, but even if you are not getting a subscription, this mock test is there for you. You can check all the details written on the screen, and for now, if you always need a referral code from my side, you can note it down, bhghosh.yt, and you can always use it as to subscribe to Unacademy Plus. Well, for this CAT-alyst, it is a free mock test. Come on, it's a free mock test. You don't need to subscribe even. So for free, you can take all these mock tests. It will start on 10th of May, and there will be 10 tests in total, 30 session analysis, and it will last up to 12th of July. How's that? So I will be there, Riya ma'am will be there, Praveen Tyagi sir will be there. We all will be helping you with the same. So CAT-alyst free mock test for CAT every Sunday. Make sure you enroll. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. That was the big surprise. Hope you liked it.